This car is manufactured in the 1920s. It's been refurbished over the years to keep the original condition. However, they've been briefly repulsed at the time. The lights and the fans are not the original equipment. They were put in later for your comfort. The little gold domes you see are speakers with which you heard the supervisor speak over. Puffy is manufactured in 1896, a steam engine. It is under repair. It's in that barn right there. Parts have been ordered, or made, I should say, and they hope to have it running either between the end of September and the first of the year. If you need anything to thank for or care to go yourself, you're more than welcome. I can go get it for you. I'm going to have this car and half of this car. I'll take care of all the trash, the bottles, and the cans, and the house right down. You can enjoy your ride and see the city and see what's going on. When we get up the ways over here, you'll see the only little soccer field, which is fairly huge. You got any innocence left? I hope you got a wide angle lens on that camera. I do. I've been eating pretty good lately. But, you hiding down there? Now, is this your wife?
How do you do, man? Howdy, folks! Howdy! Well, that's not bad for a warm-up. Howdy. What's your worth here? I need me some deputies. I'm a deputy as you, ma'am. You look like you got a handful there. There you go. There you go, ma'am. I want you youngins to always respect your mom and daddy. Say your prayers nightly. Brush your teeth.
enthusiastic, or you'll come in as the lousiest train of the year. Okay, Dan will be coming through the coach where today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday, Monday is a holiday. We need 5 and 1.
Yeah, there's turtles down there. Yep. Bunch of dragonflies too.